Hey everyone, welcome to this week's live session. Today's topic of discussion is full stack developer salaries, skills, and resume. But before we begin, I'd like to thank all our viewers for tuning in and actively participating in these sessions. Let's wait for a while for people to tune in. I also welcome all our viewers joining in from Facebook. Anytime during the session, if you have any doubts, let us know in the chat section. Our team will get back to you immediately. Whilst we are at it, if you wish to learn more about the cutting-edge technologies and keep yourself updated, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Alright, I think many of them have joined and we can start now. In this session, we are going to understand who a full stack developer is, what are his desired skills, the amount of money he makes on an average per year, and finally, I'll help you build a resume for your future endeavors. First, let's understand who a full stack developer is. Everybody uses social media applications. The main reason we use them is that they provide excellent user experience and interface. These apps work pretty seamlessly, all thanks to full stack developers. A full stack developer is associated with creation of a product from its start to finish. He designs the front end and the back end of an application while ensuring its efficiency, reliability, and other crucial features. Now that you have a basic knowledge of what a full stack developer does, let's look at some of the desirable skills of a full stack developer. First up, for the front-end development, you should have a good understanding of HTML and CSS. HTML, short of Hypertext Markup Language, governs the appearance of text and images on the screen. It formats the text as headings, paragraphs, or pop-ups. CSS, on the other hand, is a styling sheet. It helps with beautifying the content on your screen in the form of font size, colors, and spacing. Next crucial necessity is JavaScript. It is a powerful client-side programming language mainly used for enhancing user interaction with the application. It offers several libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, and jQuery. You need to be proficient in one or more of these tools. Next up, we have version control. A version control basically records all the changes made to file over time so that you can recall them at any point in time. Most predominantly used are Git and GitHub. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. On the other hand, GitHub is a repository that provides a user interface for Git. It provides features like fork, pull, and merge. Moving on to backend skills, basic knowledge of Node is essential. Node is the hottest JavaScript runtime environment around right now, used by a ton of applications and libraries. If you're writing applications for the server Node.js, you need to be familiar with the environment. Next up is Python. Python is used for several reasons when it comes to full stack developers. The most common one being the fact that it is better readable than other languages like C, C++, or Java. It is easy to learn and does not require a lot of coding. It also comes with many libraries and frameworks and has a thriving community for developers. Django is a high-level Python framework that performs actions like authentication, database migration, and URL routing, among others. Finally, the backend skills would require having good knowledge of DBMS. Some of the commonly used databases are Cassandra, MongoDB, and Oracle Database. You should be able to update the databases and retrieve information as and when needed. A full-stack developer needs to possess some basic soft skills as well. First up is creativity. The developer must understand the objectives of the project and should create a product that engages the target audience. Next up, we have strategic planning. Planning is a critical phase in any development lifecycle. The developer should possess the aptitude to strategically plan the design, development, and implementation phases. This helps streamline the process. Next up, we have analytical skills. As the name suggests, it's crucial to analyze the information and make decisions so as to maximize efficiency. Now, these are skills that one develops when they're exposed to, but a good sense of understanding is required. Problem-solving skills are again crucial to predict any errors and develop a bug-free application. From the business perspective as well, problem-solving skills play a significant role in ensuring the smooth conduction of tasks. And finally, we have time management skills. The developer must be able to meet the deadlines while ensuring proper execution of his tasks. Moving on, let's look at the full-stack developer's salary. In India, the average salary of a full-stack developer is about 5,90,000 rupees per annum. In the US, the average salary of a full-stack developer is around $75,000. Now, if you wish to make a career as a full-stack developer or wish to look out for better opportunities, a good resume is key. First, let's look at a sample resume for a fresh graduate. First up is personal information. Mention your name and contact information. Moving on to summary, write a few lines about yourself and skills that you are proud of. Make sure you keep the section brief and to the point. Next, go ahead and provide the links to your LinkedIn profile, GitHub repository, and blogs, if any. In the next section, mention the projects you have worked on. Write a sentence or two about the objective of your projects. Moving on to internships, mention the name of the company you have interned for, along with your role, responsibilities, and the time duration. Again, ensure that you keep it short and simple. This adds credibility to your profile. You can also go ahead and mention the university you're graduating from and your final graduate score. Lastly, mention your skills. This is an important section since you will be judged based on your skills. You can first mention all the technical skills that you're confident about. Mention some soft skills and extracurricular activities that you participated in. Now, let's look at a sample resume for an experienced developer. The personal information remains the same. However, in summary, you can mention your years of experience and your designation in the previous company. Go ahead and provide the links to your LinkedIn profile, GitHub repositories, and other links you feel worth mentioning. Moving on to experience, clearly mention the name of your previous company, your tenure, and the designation. Mention the responsibilities your role came with. Make sure that you don't over-exaggerate. Use short, powerful words like developed, designed, managed, and supervised. Mention any awards or recognitions you have received. This adds a lot of credibility to your resume. You can also provide your academic information like the name of your university, the year of graduation, and your graduate score. Finally, talking about skills, prioritize them according to the job requirement and mention them. In the non-technical skills section, you can mention a few soft skills that you're proud of. If need be, you can also mention a scenario where they came in handy. If you wish to mention some other hobbies or activities, go ahead and mention them. Having said all this, it is vital to not lie on your resume. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and not misleading. So with that, we come to the end of this session. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for being here and watch out for more interesting videos. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.